In this video, I'm going to unbox the Diablo Starlock Carbide Grid Oscillating Blade. It has one pack in here, and it has this accessory is a 40 grit with a 1/8 or 3mm thickness. So this tool accessory is for removing grout and mortar. So it has a 3-in-1 design for removal of grout, mortar, and tile adhesive. Now this one will be compatible with a multi-tools, Starlock multi-tools, as well as non-Starlock multi-tools. And so let's cut it out, and we'll take a look. Alright, so I'm just gonna open it and pull out this. It's quite actually very rough, and it has a 3mm thickness. And then we're just gonna put it into the multi-tool. Okay, we'll place it into the multi-tool, and then I'll lock it up. Okay, so for the 3mm thickness, you can see this is what it looks like. So here I'm using it to remove the grout from the swimming pool. Now unfortunately, because I'm holding the camera and working in the pool at the same time, it can be a little bit difficult to show you exactly how it works, how well it works, removing the grout. But it does work. You need to move it up and down while the multi-tool is switched on. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.